大家好，我很高。The learning outcomes for this video are to recognize characters for simple adjectives, describe someone with simple adjectives, and compare two people using be. First adjective, 高. 高. I imagine this one as a tall building being stacked up. 他很高。你弟弟高吗？下一个 I. As you can see, there is a woman radical in here. So maybe you can remember this one as usually the women are a little bit shorter than men. I. 他们非常矮。这是瘦 skinny. So this one's interesting because it has a sickness radical in it. So back in ancient China, if you were fat, then you were probably rich because you had lots of food to eat. However, if you were skinny, you were probably poorer because you didn't have enough food to eat. And so being skinny wasn't a good thing back in those days. And so that's why it has the sickness radical in it. 我姐姐很瘦。这是什么？这是胖。You might recognize this bun from, like, for example, 3:30, 3点半. So that's where the sound comes in. On the left here, we have the flesh radical. It looks a little bit like Yue, the moon, but when it's on the left, it's the flesh radical. So when you think of fat, then you can think of lots of flesh as well. So 胖。我的猫很胖。这是漂亮。There are a couple of other ways that we can say beautiful in Chinese. Another one, 美丽。Both of these themselves mean beautiful, and together it means really beautiful, 美丽. And we have 好看, literally good looking. 好看. So usually in English we say that women are beautiful. We don't usually say that men are beautiful, do we? So that's the same in Chinese. These words usually apply just to women. So 她们很漂亮，她们很美丽，她们很好看。这是什么？这是帅。TF boys 很帅。So just like we say men are handsome, we don't usually say women are handsome. So this one applies just to boys. 帅。我的男朋友很帅。这是什么？这有看。这是难看。难 literally means difficult. So difficult to look at is ugly. So 它很难看. You might not be able to see this one. 这是聪明。Einstein 很聪明。是什么意思？ The opposite of that, 笨。我哥哥很笨。你呢？ So comparing two people. When we compare, we use the word be. For example, in this picture here, A, B, B, I. What's the meaning? A compared to B is short. Alright, let's have a look at the next one. 我比妹妹高。是什么意思？ I, compared to my younger sister, am tall. So who's the tallest one? 我 See if you can do this one. 老师比我. You can choose this one. You might say 老师比我聪明. 对吗? So to follow up, log on to Quizlet and test yourself. There are a couple of other words in this set, so just focus on the describing words, the adjectives. And write down any things that you're not so sure about, or even write down some sentences using be to compare two things, so that we can discuss those in class. 再见.